Hello guys, this morning we are going to try how to wash my white sandal and make it whiter. Nowadays, we use bleach, but bleach is dangerous to our health. So, we're going to try to use alternatives like salt and soap.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
So, the first step is to soak your white sandal or your white shirt. So guys, while soaking it, you have to rub it to remove the dirt. So guys, the second step is to get the water out from the white t-shirt, where we are going to squeeze it. And after that, step 3 is going to replace your water that you used and use the new water. Oopsie. Step 5 is to dissolve this powdered soap and put it in the water. Put it in the water. And then make it dissolve like this. You have to make sure that there's no more like salts in it. And to make it like this. Oh wow. And then now we're going to put the white sandal. And as we did earlier, we have to scrub it. And make sure to scrub the different parts of the white sandal or white t-shirt. So guys, the step 6 is to spread the white sandal or t-shirt. And then we are going to dissolve the salt as well. Make sure that there's no salt on your plates anymore. And now we're going to dissolve the salt. And as we did when dissolving the soap, we're going to scrub it. So guys, I can feel that there's still more salt, so we have to dissolve them. Scrub. Oopsie. So guys, the next step is to put this under the sun. So, be careful that you will not spill the water. And we're going to leave it there for 1 to 2 hours. So see you later, guys.
2 hours later.
So guys, it has been for more than 2 hours, and let's see if our idea is effective. As you can see, it's a little bit white. Now, hold on, where's the other? So guys, we're going to put it back there and rinse it again. So guys, we're going to scrub it. So let's check if where's the manchas. I think guys, it's success. We're going to scrub the different parts. So guys, we're done scrubbing it. Now we're going to rinse it. Hold on. You have to replace the water. And then you have to rinse it for 3 times. Make sure there's no more soap on the stained shirt. Just you can see guys, there's still soap. And now guys, we're going to replace it again. Always remember to rinse it 3 times. Rinse it until the soap is gone. So as you can see, I think it's whiter. So as you can see, there's no soap anymore. Okay. There's no more, and now we're going to get the hang. And now you're going to hang it and wait for it until it's dry. So let's wait until it's dry, guys. So guys, thanks for watching, and my name is Cryxzen, and that's how to wash the dirty stained or dirty sandal by using alternatives like salt. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to sub, like, and don't forget to leave the comment if you like it. Bye!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.